This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hyperlink a phone number on a Microsoft Word document. I'll be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Word here. Okay, I got Microsoft Word opened up here, and I have a phone number here that I'm going to hyperlink. To hyperlink a phone number, to make it a clickable link to where you can click on it and call a number, what you want to do is highlight the phone number. Then you will go up to the Insert tab and select it. Make sure you're on the Insert tab. Then you will go across to where it says Link and select Link. Then you'll go down to where it says Insert Link. Click on that. And then this right here is the format that you will place in the address bar. You will of course use the phone number that you want to hyperlink it to. No spaces. But you just type tel : // then the number, no spaces, with the area code. And then you'll make another / at the very end. And then you'll click on OK. And now it is a clickable link. You can see if I put my mouse cursor over the phone number, you can read the tel : / the phone number / That is how you hyperlink a phone number on a Microsoft Word document. Thanks for watching.